Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Um, Today I just wanted to show you a project that I made from a kit that I found on Emma Parrish's Etsy shop. Pretty sure she just calls it Grandma's Purse. And she also has a YouTube channel and a complete tutorial on how she put her own purse together. I did a few different things with mine, including this chain. In the kit, she does include a paper handle, but I decided to go ahead and use this chain. And there are a few other differences and stuff. But if you wanted to see the how-to on how this kit is put together, I'll go ahead and link it down below. But just to get started, let's see. The first thing I did was add these. These are brads, and I put them on both sides. And just with a jump ring, this is just inexpensive chain that comes on the ribbon spools at Hobby Lobby. And then with my crocodile, I just put a couple of eyelets in there, a couple of jump rings, and added these cute little tags. Grandma's Purse, full of love. And for the closure, I used the Velcro dots, and it's the very first time I've ever used them. I was not sure how well they would really close, or if they would rip the paper when you opened them or anything, but I'm just super happy and glad to have found out that they work so well. I'm going to be using them a whole lot more. So without further ado, here we go. Answer the question, what's in Grandma's purse? Ta-da! Isn't that something? I just think that she's just a genius for coming up with all of this stuff. Before I get into the actual contents of the purse, one of the things I did add was just this ribbon trim on both sides of this gusseted, these pockets here. And we'll just go ahead and get started. We'll start with Grandma's corsage, which I'm going to be redoing, I think, because I feel like I don't know. She left a little bit more white around the edge of hers, and I think it looked a little bit better that way. But this is a paper that came with the kit, so I just backed it with that, because even though it has a pattern, you could still journal on it if you wanted to. And speaking of journaling, Grandma's notebook, and it's just a really a little one signature journal with a pamphlet stitched there. And this comes in the kit, a little library card that I backed with, that's also part of a paper from the kit, and a little bingo card. And this is one of the pockets in the kit. And then this paper does not, it's from a different kit, just some lined paper that I had, so I just included that. This paper comes in the kit. And to go along with Grandma's journal, we have her Grandma's pen. And I thought about cutting it closer. Emma did not cut it closer, and for me, I thought it really worked better this way. It just doesn't work to cut it too close, but the best part about this pen is, ta-da, it's a working pen. So that goes with her little notebook. Okay, next we have Grandma's handkerchief. Isn't that neat? I did see somebody that, well, my fake Dollar Tree nails, my first time using fake Dollar Tree nails, and they're about to come off because I have them attached with glue dots, because I was afraid my nails are so awful, which is one reason I don't do more videos then what I do. But I was afraid that they'd get even worse if I tried putting real nail glue on. So, there goes one. Okay, there we go. And watch, I could just stick it right back on because it's hopefully, yeah, there you go. It's a glue dot, guys. Whatever. Okay. Anyway, back to the show. So, she explained that her real grandma, she thought, had a long lost love, who was not her husband. I guess maybe just somebody back from, it looks like, World War I. And there he is. I have a feeling these nails are just gonna come flying off. So just be ready. There he is, a very handsome fellow, and this some writing on the back. Just backed it with some more of the paper from the kit, and so next we have Grandma's spectacles, her spectacle case. I'm afraid to touch anything for these. And there they are. There are her spectacles with journaling space on the back. And of course, Grandma would not be caught without her lipstick. And check out that shade. Nice shade, right? But I just thought that was just such a neat thing. So, okay. And next, we have Grandma's coin purse. And at the time that I made this, I didn't know about the Velcro dots yet. And I tried magnets, and it kind of works. It closes, but if I had it to do again, I think I might go ahead and use the Velcro dots. But anyway, I did line it on the inside, and I don't know how well it shows, with a little bit of satin. And then this is just a pocket, small pocket that comes with the kit, and a little space there for Grandma to write her little notes. And I really don't mind how it's kind of frayed on the outside. I think that looks like how an old little coin purse might really look. And of course, Grandmas can't go anywhere without their chocolate bar in this beautiful chocolate wrapper. And her chocolate bar. Trying not to make this too long. Inside, okay. Well, here go at least 2 nails if I try to pull this out, but there's tickets. Oh boy, there it goes. I'm not going to redo this, guys. This is the real deal. Fake nails, real video. That's just how we roll. We're at Marytown. Okay, last thing. I'm going to do this. This is my prototype, my first attempt here, and there are a few things I'm going to do differently. One is the way that I do this, but anyway, her mint tin, love the outside, same on the back. You open it up and voila, there's the thing. But I'm not thrilled about how I tried to make it look like metal, and I just did it with a silver pen, and I don't think it looks great. So I actually went ahead and got some metal look paper on Etsy, and I think that's what I'll try to do next time. But I do like the magnet on this one, and I just left the magnet exposed. But I don't know, I like how it sounds, and I like, boom, the fact that you can just close it like that. But anyway, there you go. Like I say, I will go ahead and link this below, and I won't ramble anymore on this one. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. See you next time.